My dear viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Before starting the video, may I request you to subscribe my channel and to press bell icon. Today in this video, I shall show you the process of identification of fault of a circuit breaker that not being tripped from local manual and remote manual. If the circuit breaker is in service, at first make the circuit breaker to trip mechanically. Every circuit breaker has such facilities for emergency tripping. After isolation of circuit breaker, close the circuit breaker from local. Turn the knob of 43LR local remote switch at local mode. Check input DC by using suitable multimeter. Check voltage at each and every point as are shown, and also watch the reading of the multimeter. If at any point this DC voltage is not available, then check the parts related with. Now voltage between the points of TNC switch here is available. That means the circuit up to the point is okay. Close the TNC switch. If circuit breaker not tripped instantly, check connections of TNC switch as well as fault of TNC switch if any. Please watch the circuit carefully. Only from TNC at remote to trip coil 52T through 43LR local remote switch 52A and 63GLX. You have to notice. Keep the 43LR local remote switch at remote mode and examine voltages at each point as are shown. I hope you will better understand the rest part of the subject. Trip circuit is checked okay, and now close the remote TNC switch and the circuit breaker will trip. If not, there is a problem at remote TNC switch. Please subscribe to my channel and press bell icon for further notification. Thank you.